How to accomplish a connection to the mind of the quantum field. The field, the quantum field, the quantum hologram, the divine matrix, the mind of God, the vortex. These words are all names for the same field. Invisible fields of energy and space were to be found in this so-called empty space. This energy and space must be compassion, if compassion is the force that's holding the universe together. These energy fields are inaccessible to the human senses. What we once thought to be empty space is not empty space. What exists in this void of space? In this field, everything is connected by energy fibers. This space-based field of energy does more than just link everything together. This field connects your inner and outer worlds and serves as the framework for the entire universe. This explains why the world outside of your body is affected by the ideas, feelings, emotions, beliefs, and prayers that are inside of you. This field reflects what we develop in the world inside of us and, consequently, in the environment around us. The curious thing is that the human brain's neural networks resemble the energy fibers in empty space in structure. You can use your brain to connect with the fields of energy in space. Imagine a funnel above your head and become aware of the space in and outside your head. When you start to become more aware of space, you also become more aware of your inner body, your feelings. The more you develop this awareness, the more you will connect to this field. When you focus on space combined with dropping into the body, you are releasing energy. Energy flows where the attention of your consciousness goes. The more energy you release, the further you can drop into your body, or in other words, surrender. This way, you can heal unresolved stuck energy in the body and raise your vibration. The slower you go, the faster the results. Having a positive intention is the best way to connect to this field of positive energy. Try to become one with the energy of this field. Become no one, nobody, just pure consciousness. A great tool to reach this state is through meditation. You can learn more about meditation when you click the link below in the description.